Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you're fine and you're keeping well. So, students, in this class, we will study English literature. So, welcome you to the online class of Monvishya School. I'm your English teacher. My name is Miss Manisha. Okay. So, children, you will take it out your English literature book and copy for your homework. Okay. So, take it out fast, both. Now, children, first you open your book. Now question number N. I hope you remember that I have given you this homework, okay? In first class I have given you 1 to 4, okay? And yesterday, in my yesterday's class, I have given you 5 to 8, okay? I have told you to do it in your notebook, okay? Now where you have done it, you will take it out that one, okay? So take it out your copy. Okay, children, see, I have told you to write first question and then the answer, okay? So now this is of chapter 3, so I have written chapter 3. You will also write it, okay? And you will put date, okay? Now question number N you need to put because you also need to understand that you have done from book exercise, that is question number N, okay? So now we will leave that line, okay? And then you will write the question. Those who have done the homework, well and good, okay? You will just check your answers, okay? Now in this, what we have to do, we have to use capital letters, okay? You know that from in starting we have to use capital letters, okay? And now where we have to put full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, so we have to put that over here, okay? So this is a part of grammar, okay? Now we will check, okay? Now the first question was Alka and Ajit are going to cycle in the park, okay? So now here no full stop, no exclamation mark is given in each question, okay? We have to put as an answer, okay? So now see here Alka and Ajit both are in small letter, okay? So now in answer how we will write? See, Alka and Ajit, see capital letter I have used, okay? Alka and Ajit are going to cycle in the park. Full stop. Full stop is very necessary, okay? Oh, good. Now number 2 question was what a windy day it is. Nothing, no sign, okay? Now here it is in small letter, so again we have to use capital letter in answer, okay? See, what a windy day it is. And here we have to put exclamation mark because in this sentence we are expressing our feeling, okay? Yes. Now number 3, see, oh no, a strong gust of wind has blown off Ajit's cap, okay? Now here nothing is given, okay? Now in answer you will write, see, oh no, then exclamation mark because this is our feeling, okay? So oh no, exclamation mark, then a strong gust of wind, okay? Now turn the page. I have finished, so I am turning the page, okay? Has blown off Ajit's cap, full stop. Now here Ajit A will be capital, okay? And here we will put full stop, okay? Now next is number 4. See, where is his cap now? Nothing is given over here. First, see, this is a question, so here we should put question mark, okay? That we will put in answer, okay? Now where? We will begin in capital letter. Where is his cap now? Question mark, okay? Good. Now number 5. Is it caught in those bushes there? So now means again it is here question has been asked, okay? So now beginning we will do in capital letter. Is it caught in those bushes there? Question mark. See, I have given question mark, okay? Now number 6. Ajit stops and walks into the bushes to get his cap back. Now answer, we have to just copy the question, but what the changes will be, we have to use capital letter and the means the and the signs, okay? Yes. Now answer, Ajit in capital letter. Ajit stops and walks into the bushes to get his cap back. Full stop. See, full stop, okay? Good. Now again number 7. He tucks the cap into the basket in front of his bicycle. Okay. Now this is number 7 question. Now answer is he in capital letter. Okay. He tucks the, here you will write the, because in question it is the. Okay. He tucks the cap into the basket in front of his bicycle. Again full stop. Okay. Good. Now number 8. The children head back home. So answer will be the children head back home. Here the T will be capital, okay, and here it will be full stop, okay. Now children, I hope that you have easily done your homework and also you have checked your homework, okay. Yes. So now you will turn to the fresh page, okay. Now we will do chapter 3 question answers and word meaning also, okay. So now you take it out your next page, chapter 3 you write, yes, written. Now you will put here date of today's, okay. Now on the first line you will write the north wind. This is our name of the chapter, yes, with your pencil, okay. Now in the next line you will write here number 1, this is, okay, word meaning. Then this sign you will give, okay, and then number 1 word meaning you write, that is supper, okay. See how capital letter I have written, supper, okay. See the spelling correctly, yes. Now give a dash and write evening meal, full stop. Supper meaning evening meal, okay. Number 2, in, in, okay. In means I have told you, already explained you in chapter 1 also, okay. Now in means give a dash and write small hotels for traveler, okay, traveler, yes. Number 3, ram. See capital letter I have written, so you will also write in capital letter. Ram, give a dash and write the meaning, a male ship, okay, a male ship. Now number 4, slept soundly. Now meaning what is that? Slept deeply, yes. Children, so today's your homework will be, you will revise word meaning of chapter 3, okay. Now for today you will do this homework, and in my next class I'll give you the question answer of chapter 3, okay. So till then, have a good day. Bye bye.